Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G04, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's turn off our device, so swipe down from the top of your screen, select the power button and choose power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment you will see the Motorola logo, at which point you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up, and as you can see this automatically redirects us, well, not automatically but after a couple of seconds, redirects us to the recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume buttons either up or down to navigate up or down, as you can see, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options, and here we have things like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.